I'm America's sweetheart, trying to get away.
I'm gonna open this. I ordered a wig stand from Amazon and it just came. Like, how many stands do I need? I have a tripod, I have a ring light stand, now a wig stand. I have a mini tripod stand. What is this? Sometimes. So I ordered this from Amazon. I think it was like $35 or $20 or $25. I'm gonna have it in my Amazon storefront and a link obviously in the description box. I got bubble wrap. Oh! Like, what if the package have bed bugs and then I open the package on my bed and then my bed gets bed bugs? You know, you never know, so just be careful. Alright. I ordered this specific stand because it came with tea needles. It came with a bunch of tea needles. This clip, one black clip. It comes with this piece, this thing, and the stand itself. So we're just gonna see like how tall it is. It's the same mechanisms as my ring light. Adjustable on the bottom. Unscrew that. It has 3 notches. It is as tall as, almost as tall as I am. I'm 5'4" and a half. Didn't get a head because I already have one. Okay guys, I figured it out. It's super simple. Basically you just put this piece into here and really like fit it in until it goes all the way. Screw this piece on here. I got my pink head. Yeah, that's it. She's taller than me. Now we're the same height. That's my friend. I named her Laura Palmer. Wow. Now I can work on my wigs with 2 hands and record at the same time. This is my red wig. I've called her Patricia, Fat Patricia. My humor is basically stuck in 2012, 2011. So this is how Patricia looks. Stiff wear. Yeah, girl. Okay. Alright. This is Patricia. This one's Amy. So this is Fat Amy. This is Fat Patricia. They also came with 2 wig caps. It's my color. It's a yellow comb with this pink. So I got my package from I Am Gia and it's my birthday outfit. I want to open it. My birthday's next month, April 9th. Open this bad gal app. I got an I Am Gia 2-piece outfit. I got an I Am Gia 2-piece outfit. I'm gonna try it on and then I'm gonna show you how it looks on me. Guys, I'm gonna sit on my chair so y'all can see the full effect. It's perfect. I'm obsessed and I love it. Just imagine the beat face, hair slayed. The top is an extra small and the skirt is a small. So 4 and then a 2. Because I think extra small is 0. I'm not a 0. I wish my boobs are like this. But whatever. It's okay. Hey everybody, we're just running errands right now. We're going to Katz Delicatessen. This is my favorite sandwich spot in New York. It's so bomb. If you're ever in New York, come to the sandwich shop. This is driving.
We're gonna eat. Don't distract.
Okay, bye.
Look this, I tried to make it pretty, but it's not like you, so I tried.
At least you tried.
You're nice girl. Is it mustard sauce?
On the side.
On the side.
I'm feeling myself too much. Bye.